Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. The summer salad series
Yay!
continues. We've got a lot of summer left and we've got a lot of salads left. This is a great salad to bring to somebody's house or just for S&Gs during the summer if you don't want to make macaroni salad or potato salad.
Just change it up a little bit.
You have to heat up the oven because you have to cook the potatoes and the macaroni. This is a total no cook. This is completely cold, amazing, tangy, delicious, and simple. Let's get started.
What is it?
It's for coleslaw. I never was a big fan of coleslaw when I was a kid, but as I got older, I got more into like cabbage and stuff, and I really kind of like it a lot, but they're not usually vegan. So this one's vegan. This one goes to 11. It's vegan, so let's have at it. Very, very simple, very few ingredients. Let's get started with the spices. Alright, so we've got a little bit of granulated onion hiding in there. We've got celery seed, not to be confused with celery flakes or celery salt. Completely different things. The celery seed is going to give all the flavor of the celery, but not the saltiness of the salt. So make sure if you want to include this, it's celery seed. It's a little bit difficult to get, but it's only optional. If you don't like the taste of celery, don't put it in. We've also got some mustard powder. We've got salt and pepper to taste, and that is it in this one. So we're going to get those in there. We've got some granulated sugar. I'm using the monk fruit one. You could use regular sugar, you could use white sugar. I wouldn't recommend using brown sugar, it's going to give it a weird flavor, so some sort of a white sugar. I wouldn't use maple syrup either, if you don't want to use like granulated sugar. We've also, to balance the sugar, got some apple cider vinegar. So that's going in. Then the final two ingredients besides the slaw part, we've got some vegan mayo, and we've got some vegan sour cream. And if you can't get vegan sour cream like I couldn't yesterday, I'm just using some unflavored, unsweetened coconut yogurt, which is basically like a sour cream. So we're gonna get these in there. Don't worry, all of the measurements for the and all of the ingredients will be in the info box as usual, so that you could just click down there and you don't have to take notes as you're watching this. So we're just going to give this a quick mix. Pretty basic. Just make sure everything is mostly combined before you put the slaw in. Now this would be enough for like one bag, but I don't like wet coleslaw. I like dry. I don't like it dripping with stuff. Like, that's why I would never buy macaroni salad at the supermarket, because it's always like wet and drippy. I always like a dry one. So I'm going to use 2 bags. And I got the 3-color deli coleslaw, which is green cabbage, carrots, and red cabbage. Perfect. It's like rainbow coleslaw. Why just get the regular cabbage when you can get the red cabbage? Because it's got so many more antioxidants in it. So we just need to get these in
Whoa.
here. Yeah, they go all over. Be careful. Why don't they make these easy open? Ugh. It's the hardest part, opening it. This is easier than falling off a log, which I've done too.
Oh.
Alright. We're going to give this a mix. Make sure it's completely coated and wonderful, because this is, it should sit for at least half an hour before you eat it, because the vinegar is going to do a little number on the cabbage and like make it not so tough. It's going to tenderize it a little bit, and it's going to give its flavor, and the cabbage and everything is probably going to give off a little water too, so it's gonna, you know, it needs to do its thing for at least half an hour. So give it some privacy in the fridge, covered up, and after half an hour, we'll be back to taste. Half an hour plus has gone by. I gave it another stir. You could see it's a real deflate-a-mouse situation.
Right? What does it actually mean?
Dr. Bat.
Dr. Bad?
Bat.
Oh.
It's it's an opera.
No, I've heard of it.
A ballet,
I
I guess.
meant.
Yeah.
But this looks pretty good. Is it like a German art song?
It's a German. No, it's a whole show.
Oh. Smells lovely.
All right.
That's nice.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not too much.
No.
It's just enough.
I feel like if you had only done one package, it
would have been really
wet.
soupy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See, I see you got a nice sized bowl there. Like when you go to the diner back in the day and they give you that little paper cup full of coleslaw.
It's not enough.
No, everybody just throws it out. So I think they only give you a little because it's like, well, they're just going to throw it out anyway.
I could eat this. This is good.
Well, I hope you do eat it.
I mean, like as a meal.
Well,
That
yeah.
might be a bit much.
Well, maybe on some salad with something else.
That is nice.
All right.
Got a little twang to it.
Yes, that's the apple cider vinegar, your favorite. So that is another hashtag summer salad series.
Woo!
All right.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, much love.